Hello, San Ramon. This lesson is for our the U.S. flag for our icon unit and the Pledge of Allegiance. These go together, okay? So let's start with our Pledge of Allegiance paper. You'll see at the top you can put your name. You don't really have to put your name on this because you're going to end up cutting it off of the paper anyway and adding it to the flag. So remember, the pledge is something we say sometimes at community time. Sometimes you'll say it in other forums in school or at other organizations. Maybe you say it if you're part of Cub Scouts or Girl Scouts. So it's good to know the pledge. So let's look at the words carefully because some of these words are a little confusing. So up here in this little bank are the words you're going to fill into the actual pledge. So they've left blank. So you're going to write them in. You could also cut them and glue them if you want to, but I'm going to write mine. So this says, I blank allegiance to the blank of the United blank. So let's think of, how do we say this? We start by saying, I pledge. So we're going to look for the word pledge up here. And that one starts with a P. So I pledge. Let's write that down. Don't forget that D-G-E. It's kind of a weird spelling. I pledge allegiance, which kind of means loyalty, to the blank of the United States. To the what? Pledge allegiance to the flag. And again, as I write them, I'm going to put check marks next to them so I know I've done them. To the flag of the United, we're the United States, right? States, and that word is right here in case you're not sure, of America. And to the republic for which it stands, comma, one nation, that's right here, nation, under God. This is the hardest word in the whole thing, just so you know. Indivisible. A lot of people think they're saying invisible, but it's indivisible, meaning you can't be divided. No matter what happens, this country's going to stay together. So under God, indivisible, with blank and blank for all. With, do you remember that? Liberty. That sort of means freedom. And justice. That means justice kind of means that it's equitable for all. So that everybody gets the same thing, hopefully. So let's read the whole thing together. So I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. So it is good, friends, to know that so that when you're in a situation and you have to say it, you feel comfortable about it. So when you're finished with this part, you're going to cut it, go ahead and cut it out, and we're going to add it to the bottom of our flag later. I'm going to put our flag video on a separate video, mainly because I can't make it longer than 15 minutes to go on YouTube. So I'm going to stop this video here, and then I'll send you 2 links when I send it to you, okay? So there's the pledge. We're going to put that to the side, and then we're going to do the flag, okay? Hold on one sec.